Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. It's Phil at Synergy. Today I'm going to be talking about the greatest returns on investment of your property. So here are the top 4 renovations for the greatest return on investment. So number 1 is garage door replacement. A good looking garage door tops the list when it comes to getting cash back on your investment when you decide to sell your house. According to the 2019 cost versus value report, average cost is about $3,611, and the cost recouped is about a 97.5% return. Number 2 on the list is manufactured stone veneer. So replacing vinyl siding with stone veneer on part of your home, such as entryway, is a big curb appeal. It's an upgrade for your home. And the average cost of that is about $8,907. And the cost recouped is about 94.9%. And number 3 comes with minor kitchen remodel. Remember, minor kitchen remodel. Creating a modern looking and functional kitchen can add more than just a value to your home. It can boost your enjoyment of everyday activities like cooking, entertaining friends, and sharing meals with your family. And the average cost is about $22,507. Cost recouping, about 80.5%. Number 4, deck addition. If you're lucky enough to own a house with a big yard, having a wooden deck can be extra enhancement to enjoy the outdoors around your home. The average cost is about $13,333. The cost recouped is about 75.6%. And finally, number 5, minor renovations can go a long way towards improving the quality of your everyday life and impressing potential buyers. So whether you plan on staying in your house for a long time or just a few years, it's smart to know which home renovations add the most value. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you didn't, I promise I'll work harder next time. And if you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to get my latest videos as they come in. And if there's a topic that you want me to touch base on, don't be afraid to shoot me a comment and I'll be sure to touch base on that in the future video. Thanks again guys, and I'll see you in the next video.